Hello, I'm Dr. Walter Matwichuk, and I'd like to address the question of why you should choose rational emotive behavior therapy. REBT is a solution-oriented, problem-focused approach. From the outset, the aim of REBT is to help you learn how to have healthy reactions to the problems and adversities you face. REBT starts with educating you about the important role your thinking plays in your emotional reactions. By doing so, you can begin to find relief from the first session. When people come to see that events in and of themselves are opportunities to get upset, and that their thinking has a profound impact upon how they feel and behave, there's something they can do quickly to help themselves. They can monitor their thinking and then begin to think about things in a way that allows them to change what they can change and also allows them to live happily and accept with what they can't change. So, unlike other therapies, REBT is not a vent therapy. Although I will get to know you as a person and show you empathy and validate your emotional experience, my goal will be from the outset to show you how to change what you can change, which is your attitudes that largely lead to your emotional experiences that are self-defeating. So we make a distinction between disturbed feelings and healthy negative feelings. And from the outset, I will be showing you how to think in a way so that you have healthy negative feelings which motivate you to change what you can change. So REBT is an active therapy. I will encourage you to read my client companion guide that will give you some help in efficiently learning some of the core strategies, because REBT is a psychoeducational approach. I'm a very transparent psychologist and try to show you some of the core ideas that will help you face adversity, and I demonstrate these every Saturday during my weekly demonstration sessions. So if you're considering choosing REBT, you could watch these demonstrations and see REBT in action before you commit your time and money. In my view, therapy is an investment. Coaching is an investment. And you want to derive the greatest benefit in the shortest period of time. REBT aims to deliver on that, to help you learn to help yourself in the shortest period of time, so that I can be the last psychologist you need to consult. However, you will use the ideas of REBT for the rest of your life. As the originator of REBT used to say, it is a short-term therapy that can produce lifelong results.